Hey guys, I just wanted to film a quick video. As a lot of you guys know, I'm putting together a system for a 60-gallon compressor, two-stage compressor, and I bought a half-inch hose that goes with it. But of course, with a half-inch hose, you end up with a bigger thread at the end of it. So I ended up having to buy a half-inch to quarter-inch adapter so that I could put my larger 3/8 coupler on it for a quick connect. The reason I picked this larger coupler is so that I can use larger air plugs. That's significantly larger. Compare these together. Oops, sorry. One of those is not like the others. So this is one I bought from Farm and Fleet. This is an H-style quarter-inch NPT high flow connector. But the Harbor Freight ones, right here, which is an awesome value, 3/8 auto coupler kit. What this comes with is this and two male plugs and a female plug. And the beauty of these is this is mechanic style, so it has the larger collar, but it has the 3/8 style hole to allow more air to go through it, but has a quarter-inch male end to go into any standard tool. So this can be replaced with this. Look at the size difference. Massive. But I had a heck of a time finding anything just to buy these pieces, these plugs, without buying the full accessory kit every time from Harbor Freight, which actually is a pretty good deal. It's only $6. It comes with 3 adapters and this. I mean, you can convert the female adapter to a male adapter just by using a little nipple. But anyway, I didn't want to have to drive to Harbor Freight every time I needed it. So I checked the H-style Milton product, and here's an extra one of these. Perfecto. Tight, very tight, no leaks. This is going to work out great. So it is just a tiny bit more narrow than the Harbor Freight one. Just a tiny bit, but for our use, I think we're going to be in good shape. So that's it. In summary, you can get more plugs for your central pneumatic 3/8 auto coupler kit T-style by using the H-style Milton connectors. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks.